If you want to edit slow motion videos on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, all you have to do is you need to open the Photos app. Over here in the Photos app, you can open your slow motion video, and then you can tap on the video in order to reveal all of these different options. We have two timelines, and we are interested in this one where we have our dots. So this section where we have dots with that are separated with more space, this is where the slow motion effect is applied. And you can grab by this line over here to, for example, extend the slow motion effect, so it can be, for example, applied to the whole video, or you can just move into a different position overall, and this is how we can easily edit our slow motion video. Of course, in addition to that, if you need to find some additional options for that video, so if you want to apply some filters, for example, or something, then of course you can use this edit option at the bottom of the screen. And over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different tools. We can even find the speed option, we can apply music, and so on and so forth. And if you are done, then of course tap on save in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.